Welcome to evolv RPE. This is an AI-powered rapid prototyping engine that turns a conversation into a fully functional dashboard in minutes. No templates, no coding required. Think of it as having a full-stack engineering team on standby, one that actually shows up, unlike Brennan's job applications. The sidebar gives you 3 core destinations: the interview, where you describe what you need, the prototypes gallery, where all your builds live, and the admin dashboard for team analytics. Everything clearly labeled, always accessible. No rogue drum kits, no buried Chewbacca masks, just your prototypes right where you left them. Let's create a financial analytics dashboard for an investor like you. The company we will create a prototype for is Prestige Worldwide Financial, to review financial revenue for their business units in entertainment, insurance, black leather gloves, and R&D. Yes, black leather gloves is a real business unit. We don't ask questions. We build dashboards. The interview begins with the use case. Our AI is responding on behalf of the Prestige Worldwide Financial team, describing a revenue analytics dashboard across 4 very eclectic business divisions. After the very first question, the AI and the user practically said, "Did we just become best friends?" Company metadata is collected through clickable option buttons. Industry, company size, tech stack, and complexity. Financial services, mid-market, Cortex intelligence. Because even when your company sells black leather gloves, you still need enterprise-grade analytics. Before writing a single line of code, the AI generates a detailed execution plan, architecture, data model, and component list for all 4 business units, including a schema that actually accounts for the leather glove division. Review it, approve it, and the agent pipeline begins. Generation is triggered. 9 specialized Snowflake Cortex agents activate in sequence. Think of it as the Catalina wine mixer, but for enterprise software. Every agent has a job, and nobody is allowed to touch the drums. The pipeline is running. Snowflake Cortex agents are authoring every file from scratch. Components, data schemas, charts, and routing with no templates. This typically takes 8 to 12 minutes. The data architect agent is designing the schema, mapping entity relationships, revenue data models, and metrics fields for all 4 Prestige worldwide business units: entertainment, insurance, black leather gloves, and R&D. Now the code generator agent is writing every file from scratch. React components, API hooks, recharts, visualizations, powered entirely by Snowflake Cortex with 0 templates. Dale Dobak would call this a gift. The build validator is running TypeScript type checks and automated repair loops, ensuring the generated code compiles cleanly before it ships. No errors, no excuses. The prototype is complete. A fully functional Next.js application, built 100% by Snowflake Cortex agents, is ready to open in the browser. Let's take a look. Here is the generated Prestige Worldwide Financial Revenue Dashboard, fully interactive with live chart components, KPI cards, and revenue breakdowns across all 4 business units: entertainment, insurance, R&D, and yes, black leather gloves. Navigating to a second view shows additional analytics panels. Each section was generated purely from the interview requirements. No manual design, no templates, no hand coding. We didn't not build this page. A third view reveals deeper analytical detail, revenue trends, margin comparisons, and unit-level performance across all 4 divisions, ready to present directly to the Prestige Worldwide executive team. Liquid paper research on bees, that's a separate subscription. The prototypes gallery shows every build your team has created. Build status, generation time, quality score, and a direct link to the live prototype, all visible at a glance. Prestige Worldwide would be proud, maybe even Dale Doback himself. The metadata model shows all company context collected during the interview. The AutoFetch button can pull additional company data automatically using the client name. No manual entry needed. Every interview is preserved in full. Every question and every answer is logged, so the requirements behind any prototype are always traceable and auditable. The plans model provides full AI transparency. Every agent's prompt, response, and decision is captured. You can see exactly what each Cortex agent was doing at every step of the build. Finally, the admin dashboard gives your team operational visibility, prototype build times, success rates by complexity, agent performance trends, and usage analytics, all in one view. If you're not checking this after every generation, then you and I are not best friends.